What's up lovely people, it's Sushant and you're watching my channel Switch to I. If you're new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss any update. Today I'm going to discuss about the new big update that is coming from Luma Touch, that is LumaFusion 2.4. Yes guys, you heard it right, it's LumaFusion 2.4 coming this year 2020, and it's a very game-changing update. Guys, I still not believing that we are getting this cool new features that I'm going to share with you today. So stay tuned with this video till end. So let's start with this first feature that is called as HDR feature. Now LumaFusion easily support HDR files. Now you can easily import on LumaFusion with the help of this new feature. And the second big feature is H.265 which transparency support. Yes guys, now LumaFusion supports alpha channel, and now we can easily export our videos into transparent. So it's a very good and useful feature that we create lots of titles and intros, and many times we use blending mode to blend with our creation. So now we don't need to use green screen or blending mode because of this new cool feature that is export to H.265 transparent. The third new feature is a new update in Chroma and Luma key. With the help of a new algorithm, it easily detects the color accurately, so it will improve our green screen very much. And the fourth new feature is the new color picker, thanks to a new iPadOS update. Because of this it's all happening. And the fifth one is the biggest. I can say that we use a lot of keyframing in LumaFusion to create good titles, intros. So they are advancing the keyframing, so they are introducing ease in and ease out, and we can save it as a preset, so we can use it in our different projects. I will show you an example of it. I hope you are able to see this ease in and ease out. This is a very cool feature that is coming on LumaFusion. And the sixth update is also very cool, that is they are advancing audio engine inside LumaFusion, so we can install new third-party plugins. Yes guys, now we can install new third-party plugins to enhance our audio. And the seventh one is very useful, that is now it supports subtitles. Now we can import our SRT files into LumaFusion, so we can create in various language, and it's very useful feature. And the eighth one is a wonderful feature, that is multicam. With the help of this multicam feature, we can set up multiple cameras on LumaFusion with the help of this cool feature. And the ninth one update is third-party plugins, that is that will be introduced in FX panel, so we can create more cool new effects on LumaFusion. So it will create an endless possibility to show our creativity. And the 10th one is the almost a game changing, that is Apple Pencil. Yes guys, recently on iPad we received a scribble effect, so we can now draw on LumaFusion like this. I will show you. So it will convert into shape. We can draw. It is a game change update because we use a pencil a lot on iPad. Especially I use a pencil a lot as a designer, and I love this feature. So we can create a new blotter effect inside the LumaFusion. We don't need to go out and use another third-party app to create it. So it's a very cool feature. So I want to thank you LumaFusion for creating this cool features. So I want to thank you LumaTouch. These guys rocks, and they are working hard very much, and they are listening to our needs very fast. We are getting all these feature within 4 to 5 weeks, maybe end of the year. So stay tuned guys. I'm so excited about this LumaFusion 2.4 update. What you guys think, comment below and share with your friends. So that's all for today guys, and I want to thank you each one of them, those who have supported me in this pandemic, and for my friend's mother. Unfortunately she is no more with us, but I want to thank you each one of them, those who have supporting me by giving donation for my channel, and it's encouraged me a lot to make more new cool videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, take care, stay safe, peace.